top of the afternoon, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you are doing incredibly well. It's Claudia and welcome back to the vlog. I have so much going on and I have lots in store for you today. So I've missed you, and as I hold this camera, I'm thinking I've got to also get my weights in. I've been so busy until my exercise went. All right, girl, we will see you later. But guess what? As I said in a video on my main channel, oh, the universe answers in the speed of light. Can you believe I'm exercising? I will be exercising in my new place for $5 a year. No, I did not say $5 por semana. I didn't say $5 a week. I said $5 a year. $5 por año. Un año. ¿Por qué? Because babies in my county, at my age, I can work out for $5 a year. Isn't that the coolest thing? But for right now, I am desirous of this. I have got to, okay, so that looks like kale. There it is. And I will pair that with one of these bananas. And I will have, let's see, would that be enough? Yes, that will be enough if I put 2 bananas in there, kale, and then I can put some of these blueberries right here in a waffle. That should be a great breakfast. Well, not a breakfast. That should be a great lunch because I have been researching all morning on ways to revitalize this. Oh goodness. And the other rat nest is one I showed you this summer, but I love it. This is my first weave. What I'm going to do is treat you lovelies to a hair revitalization vlog. Yes, yes, yes. You're getting everything in one day with Claudia. Oh, and look. Like I said, I was researching, so my synthetic hair can be cleaned with detergent and fabric softener and woolite, but I don't have any woolite, so you know what it's going to be. And I've seen so many girls on YouTube say shampoo, conditioner, and water with a little of the Jamaican black castor oil in it will revitalize my blend of human hair, synthetic hair. But the other 2 are going to get that. So, my sister, I doubt she sees this vlog, but those 2 on the table belong to her, and the human hair synthetic blend belongs to me. So we will see how it comes out. Let me put you on my tripod so I can keep you with me without holding you. Why do I have my scarf on today? Because I want it on today. Not to mention, my hair is cornrowed and under a cap because I'm going into rest of the year hair protection, protective style mode. Be right back. Okay, so this is a bag of kale. No, this isn't kale. This is parsley. Guys, I started drinking other than the typical leaves. And, you know, spinach, kale. I started drinking parsley. Basil and the other leaves that we use for seasoning. Why? They're all greens. Why not? I don't know if I shared this with you guys before. This Advant Edge Lean 15 grams of protein, 90 calories, 1 gram of sugar, 5 grams of fiber, chocolate fudge, protein powder. You know what? I'm going to go on and mix that with cacao. Oh, wait a minute. Cacao. Cacao. That ought to pop a nice, organic, powerful chocolate punch, babies. And I'm going to put some aloe vera juice in it. You know, that aloe vera juice is a dietary supplement, enhances preventive health and well-being. So drinking aloe vera daily will help maintain healthy digestion, balance your stomach acid naturally, reduce unhealthy toxin levels, boost immune system, enhance antioxidant levels, improve nutrient absorption, support healthy muscle and joint function, and maintain healthy regularity. Now, this apple cider vinegar is good to put in your hair, for my hair over here, to get rid of the grease and grime and dirt. Not in my synthetic hair, but in my hair, my blend of human and synthetic hair. So I'm just going to put a little of that in my smoothie as well. And I'm going to pop in some baby water, a handful of green grapes. I don't know, I might not put these green grapes in my drink. I'm gonna blow in my mouth. Parsley, banana, cacao powder, and chocolate protein powder in one drink. Parsley. It's very good. The parsley has a different type of taste. It's kind of warm because the kale probably could have been, I could have had ice in it, but my fridge is so full. Oh yeah, the aloe vera and It's just a different type of taste. You might have to get acclimated to this taste. And the apple cider vinegar is in this as well, so yeah. But you can't really taste individually the apple cider vinegar nor the aloe vera juice. It just has a peculiar type taste. I think I'll start restoring some of the hair and then have some blueberry waffles.